Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Good, I hope. Me and Jack are just getting motivated a little bit. It's a little after 7, and we've done all our plant pollinating and got everything set up. Kept pans cleaned, cats fed, dogs fed, the normal morning routine. And, of course, Monsieur Jack. Daddy went in the house, so he wants to go in and follow Daddy, but he's going to get upset because I'm about to walk out in the yard, which means he's got to follow. So, shall we? Today we got kind of a busy day, but still the same. I've got my collapsed shed over here, and it was collapsed this winter. So I'm having to get everything out of it, get everything moved, cleaned up, so that we can move to the next stage of the garden. See, my hubby cleaned back a whole bunch more yesterday, burned a bunch of stumps, and really cleaned things up good. He's got it so far back. He's doing such a wonderful job with this big task. And there's the shed, of course, our wonderful shed. I gotta be careful walking out here because we get snakes, as you know, and, other critters. So you kind of gotta watch your P's and Q's. But I thought I'd start this morning out this way. I got my microphone on, so everybody should be able to hear me cussing my work as I go. But I gotta get this opened up so I can get the rest out. And there's a bunch of stuff over here that I gotta find places for. But this is good stuff. I don't start anything. Check it all out, Mr. Jack. Yep. I know I didn't forget yesterday. Alright, let's get this over here in the wagon. I wish I could do a wider view for y'all, but it's not gonna happen. And my heart's already pounding at me. Don't think it's too happy today. And we got a slight chance of rain. By the cloud cover, I'd say it's better than slight. Of course. We got that. Good boy. That's another box of books out. Woo. Go over there for now. Oh, how many heavy that one? It's too heavy. I got boxes falling down and all kinds of stuff on the ground. Hey babe, when you get a minute, you grab this box. It's too heavy for me to pick up and put over there. I didn't see any wasp nests or anything.
go ahead and take it up to the fort.
Oh, that'd be wonderful. Thank you. Mama, I love you, but your books are crazy. The wagon's filling up pretty good. Thank you. With no reason for all that argument. I have no idea what to do with that thing. When we were in Lubbock, I had a store, secondhand store, that I ran out of our shop. And we would put up a notification when we needed new stuff that we would come and clean up and haul off a bunch of clothes or whatever people had. And my husband also brought home stuff that went in the store. So the store actually did very well. So we finally got everything uncovered, and it's about 3/4 of the way empty. So yay to progress. Okay, well, that winded me. Everything winds me these days. The joy of getting older, huh? But like I said, I got a couple of your light things in there.
I already took them out.
Oh, you already did? Okay. So, what do we got here, Jackie? My Jackie boy. Oh, Jackie boy. Such a sweet, loving little boy. Good one, Ed. I wondered where my shredder went. Do a lot of breathing. And I made it back. Alright, guys. I love you. Made a huge dent already. But now I'm going to take a break. Because my heart says I have to. And drink me a little more of my morning coffee. I have not had a whole cup yet. But I'm going to drink me some more of my coffee. And then empty the wagon and load it back up. American Granny out here. Love y'all. Mwah.